During the 1960s civil rights movement, weary Black Americans became fed up with mistreatment and subpar living standards, demanding equal rights and justice. The student sit-in movement in Greensboro, North Carolina, became a vital part of Blacks making strides to become equal. Hunger Pains in Our Heads will describe the pressures leading up to that fateful day, describe the people involved in the event, and the lasting impact after that day. Reverend Mansell Philip McLeave was in the midst of these events, as he was an instructor at North Carolina A&T College, where the students attended school. He describes in great detail the days leading up to the Woolworth student sit-in movement, describing the hopes, the fears, and pressures the people felt at the time. He attempts to analyze the measures that led up to North Carolina being the site of such a stand, the people who took the stand, the history behind the stand, and the results of the stand. Written with both passion and intellectual depth, Hunger Pains in Our Heads is a book that will spark lively discussion, critical debates, and in-depth analysis of those events in many classrooms, religious institutions, and political forums. Hunger Pains in Our Heads was written by Reverend Mansell Philip McLeave with a whole lot of passion and hope. He dreamed of one day standing in front of an audience doing a book signing. And even though he was in the throes of Alzheimer's, we did release his book with Tavina Raw Publishing. It was an endeavor, I can tell you that. But his story will live on and on in the hearts of the young people of today.